Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about one of the animals we all know and love, penguins. We'll learn about how penguins survive in the harsh conditions of Antarctica, as well as some of their unusual traits and behaviors. For our first trait, let's take a look at penguins' survival strategies. What unique strategies do penguins use in Antarctica, the land of ice? Penguins survive in the cold environments of the polar regions by using unique and effective survival strategies. These strategies help them to breed and forage in extreme temperatures and ice-covered environments. Some penguins have the unique trait of breeding in winter. The most famous example is the Adelie penguin in Antarctica. They begin breeding during the cold and stormy winter months of April through August. This is an unusual strategy that allows them to lay their eggs in the fall, when food is plentiful, and incubate the eggs over the winter so that the penguin chicks hatch in the spring at the end of winter. Penguins are also great swimmers in the water. They swim at high speeds to find food and to find each other. The Adelie penguin in particular has set a record for swimming for 18 minutes at a time, providing an amazing example of their swimming ability. This ability to excel in the water helps them find food easily. In addition, penguins have a special shape. Their bodies lean forward, which helps them swim effectively in the water, and their wings help them hold their position while swimming. Penguins often live in large groups, which helps them find food and stay safe from enemies. In particular, some species of penguins live in groups on ice during the winter, where they can stay warm, breed, and protect each other from the cold. Unusually, penguins use their feathers to move quickly on water. When a penguin submerges itself in water, its fur absorbs water and increases its weight. This weight gain allows the penguin to move more effectively underwater than floating on top of the water. Also, like ducks, penguins' feathers are covered with a special oil that prevents water droplets from sticking to them. This helps them move quickly on the water and keep their bodies dry, and it also protects them from cold winds, especially since their feathers are concentrated in key areas, such as their head, neck, and chest, protecting vital parts of their bodies from the cold. Penguins rely on their body hair to regulate their temperature and keep them warm. Second, penguins are flightless, which is also a result of their environment. Penguins' bodies are specialized for swimming effectively in water and surviving in a variety of environments. While they are excellent swimmers to move quickly through the water and catch prey, they do not have the lightweight body and wing shape required for flight. Penguins' wings are short and stiff, like fins, with a fin-like fuselage at the tip. This is a specialized form for swimming, not for flying in the air. Penguins have also evolved to focus more on survival in the water. They excel in the water, finding food, avoiding enemies, and swimming fast. Because survival in the water is a penguin's primary strategy, not being able to fly makes them more adaptable and allows them to excel in the water. Besides, flying is one of the most energy-consuming activities. Penguins can't use much energy to support their weight and maintain the powerful wing muscles they need to fly in the air. Instead, they focus more energy on swimming and foraging in the water. The third feature, their waddling gait, is also an adaptation to their environment. During their evolution, penguins developed a body shape that was optimized for swimming. As a result, their legs are positioned toward their bodies and they have powerful muscles like fins. This body structure gives them excellent swimming ability in water, but on land, waddling is an effective way to walk. Waddling helps penguins glide as smoothly as they do in the water. They walk by rocking their entire body from side to side, which is similar to the motion they use when swimming in the water. Waddling also uses energy efficiently and provides a more stable gait than you might think. Just as penguins can swim quickly in the water, they can also move steadily on land with minimal energy expenditure. Fourth, penguins are not afraid of humans. Penguins have little experience with hostile humans in nature. Most penguins have had very little interaction with humans, and they have no concept that humans can be a threat to them. Humans are not present in the natural environment in which penguins have evolved, so it is common for penguins to not perceive humans as an enemy. Penguins are also social and curious animals. Most penguins live in colonies, with many different species of penguins, and actively interact with other individuals. These social traits make penguins curious about new things and open to new experiences in non-hostile situations. Furthermore, if a penguin has a positive experience in interacting with humans, it may develop a positive association with humans. For example, humans offering food to penguins or quietly observing them from an appropriate distance can be a positive experience for penguins, rather than a threat. This process allows humans to naturally integrate into penguin society and film them. Fifth, penguins are not hunted by humans. First of all, many penguins live in internationally protected areas. In particular, Antarctica and its surrounding waters are one of the internationally designated areas for penguin conservation. In partnership with international animal protection organizations, these areas protect a wide range of animals, including penguins, from the threats of harvesting and hunting. In addition, hunting penguins not only brings in very little revenue, but can also pose challenges to sustainable resource management. Penguins have internationally protected habitat and breeding areas, and the countries that utilize them do so in a sustainable manner. Hunting can reduce penguin populations, which can negatively impact entire ecosystems. Furthermore, penguins are considered icons of cuteness and beloved animals in many cultures. In particular, in many countries, penguins are seen as a symbol of animal protection and environmental stewardship. This social respect and cultural image serves to ensure that penguins are not targeted for hunting. And finally, it's because they don't taste good. Perhaps if penguin meat was palatable to humans, penguins would have gone extinct long ago. But it is said that some polar explorers hunted penguins but gave up because the meat was too flavorless. The theory is that penguin meat is not only tasteless, but it also smells foul, making it difficult to eat. So far, we've been exploring the amazing world of penguins, learning about their unusual traits and interesting behaviors. Penguins survive effectively in the ice kingdom and are excellent swimmers in the water. Their hairstyles help them move efficiently in the cold and water, and their unique waddling gait reveals their extraordinary lives. And it's our role that matters. Many animals, including penguins, are affected by human behavior. We can play a big role in protecting nature and safeguarding our planet. It's our responsibility to coexist with creatures like penguins and ensure a sustainable ecosystem. That's why it's important to understand the beautiful world of penguins and work to protect their ecosystems. By remembering that these tiny creatures are one piece of our planet's big puzzle, together we can protect our environment and build a better future. As we continue to share stories about penguins and nature, let's remember that our small actions can make a big difference. This is the beginning of how our small contributions to the planet can add up to a big impact. Let's take a journey together to love and protect our planet.